Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update your personal information on Fundrise. Here's a detailed guide on how to update your personal information on Fundrise. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.fundrise.com. Enter your account's credentials after clicking on Login if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this, click Settings. And once you click on Settings, it's going to link you to this window with options in the left navigation menu, including Accounts Nickname, Reinvestment, Funding Sources, Advanced Option, and Profile and Preferences. In the left menu, select Profile and Preferences. And that takes you here. This section contains options for managing your personal details and account settings. In the Profile and Preferences section, look for fields related to your personal information. So here we have identification, we have phone number, and we have email, we have address. So click on the fields you wish to update, and you're going to see the edit hyperlink right next to any field. So once you click on that, then you should be able to update your social security number, your date of birth. Now click on cancel, then head over here to mobile number and click on the edit. So just click on edit, the edit pencil right next to each of the fields, and make your changes. After updating, double check that the new information is displayed correctly. Fundrise may send an email confirmation or require additional verification, such as email verification for certain updates, especially for security-sensitive information. That's it. If required, you can log out of your account and log back in to ensure that updated information is correctly applied across your profile. Following these steps will allow you to successfully update your personal information on Fundrise. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.